angry and I'm nervous about my own status, angry at the American government. The government is going so far to attack what makes the country so great, in my opinion. It's so absurd.
It just seems out of the ordinary, such a draconian and insane move. It just doesn't seem like something that a reasonable federal government would do.
一开始听到这个消息，我是很惊讶的。某种意义上，我比较幸运，因为我今年29号就会毕业。但是我其实会非常担心我们的学院的这个项目。
先是比较吃惊吧，经过这么几天发酵吧，比较焦虑纠结，然后呢，现在就是转为这种无奈无能为力。我不知道就是其他学校的意愿愿不愿意出头接受哈佛的这些失去身份的学生，将来这些雇主他在雇佣这个国际学生的时候，他会不会有疑虑？
I think the indirect effects are through decline in the quality of the research environment and the collegial environment of Harvard University as a whole. The damage is already done by creating such uncertainty, what's going to happen in the future.